Today we are going to make black kutsinta. We will need 2 cups of grated matured coconut. On a heated pan, we will dehydrate this. Medium to low heat. And just like the classic latik, this takes a while. To maximize your time, you can do this while steaming your kutsinta. It so happened that I did mine a day before together with the Yema sauce. When it's brown and dry, it's already done. We set this aside. For our kutsinta, we will be needing the following: 3 cups of water, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cassava flour. You can buy this from the grocery. It is also known as the AA powder. One tablespoon of black food color, 1 teaspoon of lye water or lihia, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 cup of brown sugar. For greasing our molder, we will be using star margarine. This is optional. You can also use cooking oil. In a big bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. Make a well in the center for our water. Also add the teaspoon of lye. Add your black food color. Mix until everything is combined. And make sure everything is dissolved. I'll just use a kitchen towel to grease our molders. To this, I will scoop 2 tablespoons of our mixture. Then we steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Then cool before unmolding so as not to deform. Don't forget your Yema sauce. I will add the link to the description box down below. Again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.